Hello, 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 hello. Right, okay. Today is Tuesday. We are going through the Holy Week, as we say in our religion. We're going through the last week, so to say, for Easter, for the Greek Orthodox Easter. So that's why you haven't seen me being around. But anyway, I want to share my top-down analysis again on Bitcoin. All right, practice makes us perfect. So I'm going to keep on doing that over and over again, all the time. So you're going to see me how I'm going to do that again. Right, this is the 12-month Bitcoin chart. I'm targeting that candle, the previous year, 2023, 24, still going. So I'm targeting the previous year. Here it is. I'm gonna put the 12 month, which is a white, make sure that it's aligned, move to the left, lock it, as usual. Now I want to move down to 6 months. Right, that's the previous 6 months. This is the current 6 months. Let me use the 3 months. Okay, so we used last year, and I'm going down to 3 months. Here we are. 3 months, and let me explain it to the right. And lock to the left. Make sure that it's a 3 month. Here it is. Purple. To the left. I'm going to extend it a little bit more. Let me make sure that is correct. The lines. And move to the left. Cover that area because we need to monitor that area there. So we got last year's and the first 3 months of last year, of this year, right? January, February, March, the first quarter. And I'm going to use the last month as well. Right? So I'm going to use 3 time frames. That doesn't need to be that big, it's alright. I mean, I can. Why not? Let's compare that to the left. So I extend it to the right, lock the lines, mark it as monthly, which is blue, well, cyan. Move to the left, and I cover that price action there. And I have a confluence, right? My last monthly is the same starting line with the quarter. It's fine. Got double line there, lock it, and now I'm going down to 12 hours, a time frame that I like to use. Now let's observe a little bit the price action to the left and right. Okay, all of it, even the previous bull market is fine. I want to see if price action was reacting to these lines. Right, even though the lines are being drawn according to the most recent price action, we can see that the price action is reacting to these lines back in 2021. Nice, interesting. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, good. It's like, it's like the magic of Fibonacci. Right? Okay, cool. Now, let's see what's going on here. Now, the last month, right, the cyan lines, we can see that we are in a range, right? Bottom, top of the range, bottom of the range, well, kind of bottom of the range. And we are bouncing between these two bright cyan lines. We haven't broken down. So technically, that cyan line, if I can mark it, if TradingView is going to allow me, these lines here, it's the last defense, right? That's the last defense line. Now, on the left, I see let's say like imbalance. Other people will call it fair value gap, imbalance. I'm not going to fight over it. It's the same thing for you. It's fine. So we have imbalance and fair value gap there. So if we're going to lose the last line of defense, then it's easy to target these lines here. Okay, there's a lot of liquidity sitting down here, and there's a lot of liquidity sitting up here. So don't be surprised when the market's going to move in both directions, right? We have liquidity, and so far since let's put that last recent high. The recent highest point was April, so we're going down and down and down and down. So again, this is a defense line, right? The smaller time frames like 3 hours, 1 hour, 4 hours, or whatever time frame you're using, you have the levels that don't change. Levels are always constant on the same price, right? That don't move. Doesn't matter which time frame you're using, the lines are always on those that don't move. We have a lot of, wick. We have one huge wick there, another wick, huge wicks over there. So you understand that it's a lot of buying pressure, right? Liquidity. It means a lot of people are buying here. So you may have something similar here, right? A lot of people are buying in these areas. But technically we are not over yet. I'm not convinced that the correction, the bigger time frame correction for Bitcoin is over. And let's have a look on weekly. Bring up the indicators. Here we are. Sorry, that's the monthly. Let me go to the weekly. Here's the weekly. Stochastic RSI approaching the bottom, right? Not a crossover yet. RSI still heading down. Okay. There's still room for that cyan line there, right? We will be again bullish when we're gonna have another cross up or the weekend, see acceptance that price is gonna defend. I mean, you can look how many weeks we had here in the past, and you can see slowly the price is eating up all these huge buying orders. All right, so the pressure is still to the downside. Okay, we have this imbalance here, right? That will be the next level of interest. Big lines, don't ignore them. Go easy. It's not over yet. I'm not convinced yet. What you can do, an easy trick, remember the easy trick? It's a downtrend. Let me do a trend. Here it is. It's a downtrend, right? Price action is under the trend line. What are we looking for? Shorts, right? No reversal yet. We haven't got any reversal. Yes, a lot of people got excited that we hit at the very bottom and we're going up. Okay, short-term opportunities, of course, but it is not over yet. The correction is not over yet. That's why it came down, right? And look how long it took to go up, and look what happened here. Huge dump, boom, goes down. Okay, some reaction to these levels. I understand because of this huge week, so there's a lot of buying pressure here, like orders, right? Big orders, buying orders. So that's why we see a small reaction to that. I'm still, I'm waiting to see what's going to happen with this line. As I said, trend line is going to help you to tell you what kind of trades you're looking for, right? Price action is under the trend line. You're looking for shorts. Even if you put a trend line like this and say, oh, same thing applies here. When price action is above the trend line, you're looking for longs. When you hit the other on the other side of the trend line, you're looking for shorts, right? And that was a squeeze. What happened? It broke below. Okay, same thing. You touch against that trend line, you're going down. There's no other uptrend yet. Okay, so again, smaller time frame. Not scalping, but like kind of intraday trade. This is your new downtrend. So as far the price action stays below the trend line, you're looking for shorts until when it's going to break that trend line, retest that trend line, and then price action is going to be above the trend line. So you're going to look for longs until you're going to hit that trend line, which the rule is going to apply the other way around. Oh, the price action is under the trend line, so we should take profits and look for shorts. And you keep going like a ping pong, right? Above the trend line, under the trend line, right? You're under the trend line, and then when and if you're gonna break that trend line and be above. You're looking for short-term longs until you've reached that trend line, and then you're gonna take profits, go shorts, and hit that target, so to say. Right? Take it step by step. This is for intra day trading. However, weekly, long-term, not long-term, mid-term, so to say. This is still correction. Don't panic. Right? That's it for me. Just a small update. I'm going to be around. I don't want to, keep that video very, very long. I just want to say hi. I want to, wish everyone happy Easter. Whoever is in, let's say, the Orthodox kind of calendar. This year around, Greek Orthodox is like almost a month later from the Catholic. That's it for me. I'll be back soon. No worries. I'll catch you later. Be safe out there. Any questions? Tag me.